day 2.
Yesterday got rained out, so we got no runs yesterday. Unfortunately, we normally do pretty good at mid-Michigan. That sucks because Northern Michigan has absolutely kicked my butt. I made 5 runs today. The first one, big tire spin. Second one, pretty sketchy. I held it as long as I possibly could, and I don't normally lift, had to lift. Since then, we've slowed it way down. We put the same tune-up basically that we had in it at Roadkill, which was a no-prep surface, and it finally went down. So that gave us a little bit of information on chipping away at it. Now, I've made some pretty good licks so far. I mean, as far as what this track's gonna deal with, we went a 570, which is a good ways off from our 537 that we ran earlier this week, or our 535 that we're allowed to run. Is what it is. It's the best we can kind of muster up here. I don't want to keep making hits on the car. We got a long drive over the Mackinac Bridge today. So I think it's time we turn this 570 in. Chips fall where the chips fall. Can't forget, we're here for a good time. Ice cream and pizza for checkpoint 1 for day 3. We're here at Larry's 7th Street Inn for checkpoint 2 of day 3.
checkpoint 3 of day 3.
Where we at, Pace? Where we at?
We're here at Vignac.
What? That's a blooper. Let's try it again. How about the Mackinac? Mackinac. We just passed over the Mackinac Bridge. So now we're in the UP for our final checkpoint of day 3, right?
Yep.
Cool. 4 checkpoints today. Now it's time to get some eats. Pace, how's the trip?
It was good. I got rubber all over my blue shirt.
So now I got blue and burnouts.
Yep. No, it's blue, bingo, and burnouts.
Bummer.